Hey everyone, and welcome to Shopespot's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to utilize the FAQ section on the Shopespot platform. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your dashboard and you want to head over to the FAQ section. Now this is a really cool knowledge repository that tells you everything that you need to know, breaks down everything into simple steps and show you exactly how to make the most of your Shopespot solution, helping you to drive sales, boost your revenue, increase your exposure from a brand perspective, and just drive traffic and make a success to your business. It's laid out quite nicely, very easy to use. You can actually do a wildcard search. You can actually select which category you want that search to happen in and hit your search button and it'll do all of the magic for you and bring the relevant information up. On the left hand side, you have a table of contents that will allow you to easily navigate to a specific section that you're looking for. And here it will show you any of the recent documents that have been added to the FAQ section. So the FAQ section is actually a how-to guide that's there in order to direct you and give you guidance and get you to making the most out of your platform. So let's just say, for example, this is what we want to do. We want to set up, we're brand new to the platform, and we head over to that FAQ section. As you can see, it tells you about what information you can expect on this page. If you click on that, it'll take you to the relevant section on that page, and the entire FAQ is laid out in a step-by-step bullet point format. So it directs you to every single step that you need to follow. It also directs you to a YouTube Help Center video that's specifically related to the, the type of function that you're looking for. So everything you need all in one place, helping you to get to do everything that you need to do in a fraction of the time, allowing you to do it on your own, do it at your own pace as well, putting you in the driver's seat to constantly make the most of your business and boost your sales. So that's it, guys, in a nutshell, how to use the FAQ section. Think of this as your little guru on how to grow your business in the online space. Thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, because once you subscribe, turn on those alert notifications so that whenever there's any updates coming out, whenever there's new hints, new tips, new tricks, and new ways in which to drive traffic to your business and grow your business and boost your revenue and your sales, that's where all the magic's going to happen. So thanks again, everyone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.